Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating in Delco AM-FM out of a 81 Chevy Camaro. This comes from Linda in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, looks like. Requested the modern internal conversion with a USB, and so let's turn around and make sure everything works before we set her back. Got it set to FM at the moment. I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area. Now let's run down these stations real quick.
You can get $10 a month or
Okay, let's go over to AM, where we get one strong station.
fastball in on his hands. He could not
Okay,
get
there's
the
our
barrel around quickly enough.
strong AM station. Now, while we have it on talk radio, let's test our balance and fader functions. We're going to need this.
A little higher than he normally throws.
Okay, virtual front rear fader. Here we go.
Swing and a ball hit out towards right.
Fader adjust.
Turning.
Okay, all the way front, all the way rear, front,
Davidson, a solo
rear.
shot to right,
Okay,
and it's
center
1-0 Diamondbacks.
Fader set.
fader set. Okay, left-right balance.
Balance adjust.
He's Matt Davidson.
Okay, all the way left, all the way right. Somebody say something quickly.
Well, we didn't expect him to hit one opposite
All the way
field.
right, all the way left.
This ball to right, a
Okay,
breaking
I'm gonna
ball.
center
What a
them.
beautiful swing that was.
Balance.
Balance is set. Okay, now we can take our tone control back to how we like it to sound, which is going to be all the way up for most folks. All right, let's make sure the USB plays my radio commercial off my USB stick. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Walker, though.
All righty, make sure USB plays.
Only got 5 hits on the year. Make that 6. First pitch swung on.
Okay, pull the stick. Radio comes
Yeah,
back.
very nice.
All
Right
righty,
in the
now
middle
let's
of the
try
field,
the
great
8-track. Here we go.
I'm just still watching everyone's
Don't underestimate.
I'm gonna change tracks a bunch of times.
Got a one-way to bring you get up. Angel, I'm a lucky guy. It is a world full of chicks. I love my baby to do. Still, I wonder if the church your kicks. Got a one-way.
All righty, I'm gonna hit the eject.
Making Diamond
Tape
Green
comes out and the
true
radio comes
since
back by itself.
1948.
And that concludes the test. Everything's working. Ready to go back. Let's test the dial-out real quick. You can probably see it flashing on and off through that opening right there. So that's working just as well. So I'm out of here, and this puppy's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. My website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that just leaves me more time to put into my top quality workmanship on your unit. So the more time you can save me on the phone and get your information from my website, the better quality work I can put out for you. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Lanier, for your business all the way from Minnesota, and we'll see you guys next time.